Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Internet. Within here, choose Internet Settings, then wait for the device to scan for networks. Now find your network from the list that you want to connect to and select it. Enter the password now and then choose OK. Allow the console to connect to the internet and it should say successfully connected. Select OK and head back to the main internet settings page and it should say connected via Wi-Fi in the connection status section. You could head back to the internet settings page, then select your connected network from the list and choose change settings to adjust anything such as AutoConnect. That's how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in another video.